Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make an elevator in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we need to open up our browser, then follow this link and add this model into our game. So we'll just type on get model to get this elevator model into our Roblox world. After we have done clicking on get model, we'll just head into Roblox Studio. After heading into Roblox Studios, we'll head to my game, then open the game you want to add an elevator into. So I'll head into my test game. After the game has loaded, we'll head to the toolbox section and then head to inventory. From here, we'll select the elevator model we just added to our game, which is a Luxia Innova. Left click on it. Then it will ask you to add all these files and scripts. You'll just select OK. Now the elevator model building has been added into your game. So this model has 4 different types of elevator which you can use into your world. 3 of them are disclosed and 1 is open. Personally, I like the open one because it looks very beautiful and you can view everything in your world from this elevator. These elevator models are extremely detailed, from the safety features inside to every little aspect you will find in here. So now if we playtest the game, I can just call the elevator by pressing this button. Now the elevator is coming down. And now if we get into the elevator, then select a floor, then close the door. We'll be teleported to that floor. So that's how the elevator system in here works. We can again call it. So now, in order to use any of these elevator models separately, we need to head to the workspace section. From here we will separate the file. Like if we want to separate this elevator system, we will just drag it out and take it to workspace. Now from here we can freely move the selection, so essentially ungrouping the elevator. So this is how you can add an elevator into your Roblox game easily.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.